got this, Pete.
New things can feel scary.
Let's go meet the lifeguard. Hi there.
Hi, Pete. I'm Jay. I'll be your swim instructor today.
Hi, Jay. Pete's a little shy.
That's okay. Here, take this towel. It's nice to meet you, Pete.
He's happy to meet you too. It's okay.
But he wasn't alone.
I'm here. That's it, buddy. Let's get in. Great job kicking, sweetie. Now try splashing with your hands.
You're doing so well. You're a natural swimmer.
You're doing great, buddy. Ready for the next step?
Yes, let's try walking towards the duck. That's it, Pete. That's it, Pete. Great job. Yay, Pete, you got it.
Awesome job, Pete. Yes, you got it.
Good job, Pete. Woo! Woo!
You're doing great, buddy. Ready for the next step?
Yes, let's try walking towards the duck. Ready, Pete? Let's go a bit deeper.
Way to go, Pete. You're doing great.
That's it. You're so brave.
He kept going and got a little
Perfect.
braver.
Feel the water? You're swimming. Awesome, Pete.
You're doing so great, sweetie.
That's it, buddy. Big splashes.
Whee! Splash! Yes. Ready to try swimming forward?
Let's go.
Next, Pete learns to relax and float with a little help.
Ready to go in the water?
You've got this, buddy.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Great job.
I'm sure. Watch me, Pete.
You're okay. I'm here.
Staying close, helping Pete feel safe.
Watch me, Pete. Okay, Pete, your turn.
Pete starts to move in the water, getting more comfortable with each
Ready to hold your breath, Pete? Take a deep breath, then put your face in the water.
Good job, Pete. You're doing great.
Awesome, buddy. You're a natural.
Ready to hold your breath, Pete? Yes.
Big breath in, buddy.
And under we go.
All right,
we go.
Pete.
depth.
Starting to feel
2,
safe.
3.
Great job, Pete.
Awesome.
Okay, Pete, let's kick those legs. Kick, kick.
He's a natural.
He is. Ready for a little swim?
Go on, buddy. You can do it.
That's it. Kick.
It's okay to feel
Kick your
nervous.
feet, Pete.
I'm here, Pete. You're doing good.
Okay, Pete, I've got you. Let's go. Good. Now kick your legs. Okay, Pete, I've got you. Just relax. That's it. You're floating. Good job.
It's okay for Pete to go at his own pace.
It's okay, Pete. Jay's got you.
Ready, Pete? Let's go slowly. You're doing great, buddy. That's it. You're floating.
Okay, Pete. Time to float on your tummy. I've got you, buddy. On your tummy now.
Pete's
That's
doing
it. Kick
great.
your legs. You're doing great. Keep floating, Pete. You're a natural swimmer.
Kick your feet, Pete. Kick. Kick. Kick.
With tools and support, Pete keeps trying.
Pete. Good job, Pete. I've got you.
He's doing great. Yes, he is.
It's okay, Pete. I've got you. Hold on tight. Good job. You're doing great, Pete. Keep holding on. Look at the water. You're safe with me. Okay, Pete. I've got you. Hold on tight. That's it. You're doing great. This will help you, Pete. See? You hold it like this.
Great job. Keep going. You got this, Pete.
Pete, begin to relax.
That's it, buddy. Keep going.
Okay, Pete, I've got you. Let's try to float. Good job, Pete. Just relax your body.
You're doing great, buddy.
There you go, floating like a champ.
Okay, Pete. Nice and steady now. That's it, Pete. Keep kicking. You're doing great, buddy.
Great job, Pete.
Soon, Pete wasn't so scared. He was starting to have fun.
Ready, Pete? Let's swim.
Go, Pete. You can do it.
That's it. Keep kicking.
Almost there. Great job.
Yay, Pete! You did it!
Pete began to feel more confident in the water.
Go, Pete, go!
You're doing great, buddy.
Yay, Pete! You swam so far! You did it! Hooray!
Awesome job, Pete.
All done! Yay, Pete! You did it!
Great job, buddy.
I did it! Yes, you did.